Smartland encourages all kinds of environmentally conscious and healthy amenities. That's why, at our apartment complex properties, Smartland is installing bike stations. We hope to encourage residents who already have bicycles to use them a little more frequently, and maybe even inspire some of our residents to buy one. On top of having a place to park your hog, these bike stations will have tools that will assist you in things like repairs and maintenance. Such tools included are air pumps, wrenches, and other handy items for maintenance of all kinds. Not only are these bike stations a great reason to be a little more active, but it also solves a huge storage problem. No more will you have to wheel your bike upstairs or down hallways deep into storage. These stations come equipped with bike racks, which also make them handy to go get too. No longer will you have to forego riding your bike on a nice beautiful day just because it's difficult to get out of storage or it may have a flat tire. Also, these stations aren't just great for our tenants, but they're also great for visitors. Some people travel or prefer to travel by bicycle, especially when the weather's nice. Having a secure, easy-to-get-to place to store or repair their bikes is a benefit that extends far beyond just our living communities. We here at Smartland want to promote healthy living in our communities. We firmly believe that a healthy community is a happy one. Encouraging bike use through these stations on our property is an easy and non-pushy way to promote this idea. We want what is best for our tenants. These stations were obvious choices for some of our properties as well, based on the location being just an easy bike ride from where the action's at, including downtown Cleveland. On top of convenience, these stations are another security measure. If Smartland can, it will add any amenity, big or small, to help promote this kind of security through our communities. And we don't just stop there. Bike stations are one of the many environmentally conscious amenities that we offer on our properties.